All AEG microwaves are integrated, energy efficient and are perfect for rapid cooking, reheating and defrosting. They also help to lock in taste, moisture, colour and the nutritional content of food, making them perfect for quick but delicious meals. Microwave power is measured in watts, and the higher the wattage, the higher the power. You can adjust the wattage on all AEG microwaves, and you'll get the best results when using the correct wattage for the food or liquid you are heating. You'll find guidance on what setting to use for different dishes in your user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website. Your controls will vary depending on your model, but most will feature either a defrost, reheat and liquid setting or a pure microwave setting and microwave max option. The defrost function is low and gentle with wattage between 100 to 200. The controlled power enables you to thaw food much faster than in the fridge, but without beginning to cook it. The amount of time it will take to defrost will depend on the weight and density of your food, but turning, flipping or stirring will help to ensure even thawing. Low wattage like this can also be used to soften butter and melt chocolate. The reheat or cook setting is ideal for cooking or heating leftovers and pre-prepared meals. On most appliances, the wattage options are between 300 to 700 watts. To ensure even cooking results, it's best to stir or turn halfway through cooking. We recommend covering your food with a loose lid to reduce splattering. The liquid function has wattage options between 800 to 1000 watts and is ideal for rapidly heating anything with a high water content, such as hot drinks or soups. Bear in mind that this setting is very quick and liquids can suddenly boil over. To minimise this, stir before putting in the microwave and again halfway through, and be sure to keep an eye during operation. To avoid damage, remember to never run a microwave function without anything in the appliance. Loosely cover your food when cooking, and be sure to always use microwave-safe cookware, symbolised by this icon. You should also avoid using metal in the microwave when using a pure microwave function, so all wire shelves and trays should be removed other than the metal shelf supports in a combination microwave oven, which can remain in. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.